At Antunes, we are very passionate about giving back and helping our community.
And how we can be a major part of supporting the global water crisis and being a part of that.
And that is why we're so passionate about working with Splash.
Antunes empowers Splash to provide water for kids by working in tandem with Splash to develop and refine a filtration system that actually works for kids in institutions like schools and orphanages and hospitals in some of the world's biggest cities.
Splash started our relationship with Antunes back in 2007. At that time, we had used other filtration companies, global and US-based, and we found that ability to help us with supply chains, with distribution, with maintenance, with service, they were all quite limited. And Antunes was the only company willing to modify their units. They were the only company willing to sell us product at cost, and they were the only company to actually send out both senior staff and technicians to be able to help us figure out how to do this work in some really, really tough environments.
The neat connection that we have with Splash from the very beginning is Eric saw our systems in a McDonald's store in China. And because he saw our system and it was providing clean drinking water for the McDonald's store, he wanted to have clean drinking water, and he'd been looking for systems for clean drinking water in the orphanages. So he contacted us, and we got to know him better. We got to know the Splash program better, and that's what really started the partnership from the beginning.
I really appreciate that Antunes partnered with Splash as their corporate charity, because it just brought so much awareness to our team members, got all of our reps involved, our distributors, and just to raise that awareness of the need for the clean water and the water crisis we have around the world that some individuals aren't even aware is a need.
When you see these children playing on the playground and you see them being happy and having clean drinking water to drink, it's just really a heartfelt experience for us to see that and how we can be a major part of supporting a great cause like Splash.
Together, we've served more than 1 million kids in countries in East Asia, South Asia, and East Africa. So we look forward to the years ahead where we're able to provide even more children and more school support staff with clean water.
Splash is really doing a great job in the areas where they've chosen to be involved in. And the biggest way to support Splash is to donate.
There's a lot of ways in which you can support Splash. There's the ability to work with our development team and think about monthly giving. And then events like the golf outing that Antunes puts together is invaluable for us. It helps build our network, it helps support us financially, and we're able to see the same folks year over year and help build their awareness of the global water crisis while also supporting this cool organization.
The business model that Splash has is they go into a country, they work with the local governments, they work with the local school districts and the local orphanages to create a program for clean drinking water and hygiene for the students. And they train the personnel in that country to continue the system and continue the program even when they're gone. And that was really important. The system we know that we put in will be serviced, it'll be cared for, and it's sustainable for many years to come.
To be part of the mission to help these children thrive and grow up to adulthood, they really are starting to think about, if I go to school, what can I be when I grow up? That's a pretty powerful message.